Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is data type, primitive data type, collection data type as object. Data type. Data type constrains the values that an expression such as a variable or a function might take. It will specify how much memory is given to a variable, what type of data is stored in a variable, what is the range of data that can be stored in the variable? Primitive data type, collection data type, as object, object created for Salesforce defined in Apex classes, object created for user defined in Apex classes, enum null. Primitive data type, Boolean, it is used to store true false value. Default value is null, for example true. Blob, it is a collection of binary data wrapped under one object. Default value is null. It is used to store encrypted data, images, documents, files, etc. For example, stars. Integer, it is a 32-bit number used to store numeric value without decimal point. Default value is null, for example 12, 33. Long, it is a 64-bit number used to store numeric value without decimal point. Default value is null, for example 1232422 32342. Decimal, it is a 32-bit number used to store numeric value with decimal point. Default value is null. If you want to store currency fields, by default they are decimal. For example 10.2 200.50. Double, it is a 64-bit number used to store numeric value with decimal point. Default value is null. For example 101010.4, 909090.90. String, collection of characters surrounded by a single quotes. Default value is null. For example, single quote Raju, single quote close, ID. It can store any valid 18 character record ID. Default value is null. Date, it will store instances of any date. Default value is null. System.today, this will refer to today's date. Date.new instance, YYYYMMDD, date time. It will store instances of any date along with time. Default value is null. System.now function, this will refer to current date and time. Date instance dot new instance, YYYYMMDD HRS MINS SECS. Time, it will store instance of a time. Default value is null. Time.new instance HRS MINS SECS. Object, it can store any type of data that is supported by Salesforce. Default value is null. For example, object A equals to Raju. Collection data type. Collection data type is a complex type that is made up of one or more elements, all of the same data type. List. List is a collection of similar elements. Index value starts with 0. Elements are referred using index. It maintains insertion order. Duplicate values are allowed. Size can increase or decrease as per runtime requirement. Set. Set is a collection of similar elements. It will not maintain insertion order. Duplicate values are not allowed. Size can increase or decrease as per runtime requirement. Set can have any data type. Map. Map is a key value pair. Key should be unique. Value can be duplicate. Size can increase or decrease as per runtime requirement. Maps can have any data type. As object. As object are standard or custom objects that stores record data in the Forge.com database. There is also as object data type in Apex that is a programmatic representation of these as objects. Developers refers to as object and their fields by their API names. Example, account A equals to new account. These are used to refer to S object in data type. Generic object account contact customer underscore underscore C. Thank you.